Hi everyone, today class 12th preparation batch is going on. So board examination knocking the door. So we start line equation passing through 2 point. First of all we just take 2 point, one is A, another one is B and line name is N. Now we have to find out the vector equation. Vector equation according to triangles law R is, we can say, resultant, because this vector is in this side and this vector are in clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise. Now we want to find out the value of AB. AB means if we want to go on AB according to distance formula, this minus this, it means B minus A. We can say B minus A. Lambda times. Why lambda times? Because this is parallel vector, collinear vector. Condition of collinear. This vector and this vector are collinearly going on this one. So resultant is equal to A plus lambda times B minus A. Lambda times B minus A means this one, this vector. And A means passing through this point. Now collinear with this point. So lambda times B minus A. Collinear vector we can say B minus A with B. Understand? Now come to the point. Sir, what is Cartesian equation? If we want to change it in Cartesian form, this is vector form. Now Cartesian form, what we have to write? For R, X, I cap, Y, J cap and Z, K cap. And what is A? X1I. Yesterday we have done this one. X1I, Y1J or Z1K. But yesterday we have take 1 point. Today we have to take 2 points. So in place of B, yesterday we take AI, BJ and CK. Today we are taking B minus A. Means B minus A means X2 minus X1. It means lambda times X2 minus X1, then Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1 I, and Y2 minus Y1 J, and Z2 minus Z1 K. This is the answer of B minus A. Now what we have to do? This A comes to left side. Then X minus X1I, Y minus Y1J and Z minus Z1K is equal to, what is the answer of this? Lambda X2 minus X1I plus same these lines J, Y2 minus Y1 on comparing both sides. On comparing both sides, what we get? I compare with I unit vector and J compare with J unit vector. So what you get? You get X minus X1 I. If I remove I, then what is the answer on that side? X2 minus X1, right side. So second one, Y minus Y1 and on right side Y2 minus Y1. Then Z minus Z1 on right side Z2 minus Z1. Then take out value of lambda. Value of lambda in each case. In each case is X minus X1 upon X2 minus X1 in terms of I vectors when we are comparing I vector, unit vector, both sides. This is the term in x-axis. Then come to the y. Lambda equals to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1. And for z, lambda equals to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. अब आप तीनों इक्वेशन में लैम्डा है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ये इसके इक्वल है, ये इसके इक्वल है, तीनों आपस में इक्वल है और तीनों किसके बराबर है? लैम्डा के. Then final equation of line passing through 2 point. First one is vector equation, second one is Cartesian. So today we are doing deal this one, 2 points line equation. और जो हिंदी मीडियम के बच्चे हैं उनको मैं ये समझाना चाहूंगा कि दो फॉर्म होती है, एक वेक्टर फॉर्म और एक कार्टेशियन फॉर्म। तो कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में x y z की टर्म्स में लिखना है और वेक्टर फॉर्म दिस इज वेक्टर फॉर्म। ठीक, अगर आपको वेक्टर समझ आ जाएगा तो कार्टेशियन निकालना ज्यादा मुश्किल नहीं, केवल उनके पॉइंट्स की वैल्यू रख, जैसे r को हम x i y j z के लिखते हैं, b को हम क्या लिख रहे हैं x to y y to i y to j और z to k, और इसको लिखते हैं x1i y1j और z1k। अब क्वेश्चन उठा कि सर इसके बाद जब हम लाइन पासिंग थ्रू टू पॉइंट इन तीनों को कंपेयर करेंगे लैम्डास की वैल्यू को, तो क्या आ जाएगा x माइनस x1 अपॉन y x2 माइनस x1 फिर इज इक्वल टू y माइनस y1 अपॉन y2 माइनस y1, फिर z माइनस z1 अपॉन z2 minus z1 equals to lambda. This is the value, or we can say equation of line passing through two points. So today we are doing this expression with 3D coordinates, and now you have to understand this one last formula and this one. Tomorrow we will do question on this topic. So kindly revise this derivation and understand how to find out equation of line passing through two points. Okay, thank you very much. Tomorrow we will meet same time. Now 12th board timing I have changed. You get the video at morning 11 a.m. or 10 a.m. in between 11 and 10. Thank you.